Yo, what is happening, guys? So if you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel and get some views, get some money going with a particular YouTube channel, and you have no idea what to start, and you've seen all these videos about search-based YouTube, search-based YouTube automation in general, and that is a little bit confusing to you. You don't necessarily want to go ahead and outsource to freelancers. You don't want to pay freelancers to do anything. You just want something simple to do in your house that you can potentially get monetized and then make it your primary source of income. So one of the most common channels that you get on YouTube, and I haven't covered this before really, is gaming channels. Gaming channels are great, and you may be asking the question in 2025 going into 2026, are gaming channels still gonna allow me to, as a new creator, get in there and start to get some views? And you absolutely can do that, and I'll show you how to do this. So the typical gaming videos that you're probably used to seeing is, if I go to a channel, let me go to the YouTube search bar, let me just go to this YouTube channel right here, Hollow. This would be a personality based gaming channel, and this is a big channel with 5 million subscribers. You might be watching these types of channels yourself. Okay, and what he's doing basically is he's covering all the latest games in his videos with his commentary and his face in the videos. We can just go ahead and take a look at one of his videos that he uploaded, and we can see what type of video this is. I know this is a personal creator.
Who's your family's pillar of strength? Send them a heartfelt.
So I'll just mute that audio and skip the ad. And this is a game right here. Let's just skip here. There you can see his camera at the top right hand corner, and he's just playing the game, commenting over that. But what you can do if you don't want to do that, and that is overwhelming for you, you can start what is called a no commentary channel on YouTube. So if you just take this video for an example, a no commentary channel will take the face cam out. They'll take out the commentary from the creator, and they'll just do a walkthrough playthrough of the game. Okay, this can take you 4 hours, this can take you a day, this can take you 2 days, okay, depending on how long the actual game is. Okay, and the only investment you will have is to purchase the game, but the nice thing about that is, as you build up your channel to more and more subscribers, let's just say 20,000 subscribers, the creators of these games are actually going to send you a free copy of it, so you can play it on your YouTube channel. And this is how you get the games for free, basically, as your channel starts to grow. So this can be quite profitable, and this does kind of work off keywords like search based and stuff. So this game is Ghost of Yote. Okay, so what you can do is open up an incognito tab, go to YouTube, and people type in these games and they want to see their favorite creator, and some people get annoyed by the commentary and the camera on the screen, so then they want to watch no commentary videos. Okay, so the game was Ghost of, people come to YouTube, they'll type Ghost of Yote and then no commentary, they'll type that. Okay, so you can see Ghost of Yote, no commentary, Ghost of Yote gameplay, no commentary. So people click on that because they don't want the actual commentary. This channel in 3 days got 243,000, but you won't necessarily compete with the top channel straight away. Let's just try find someone that isn't been doing this for many years. Okay, so what is this? This is how Lord Shamura wants to play us Ghost of Yote. Okay, so this is 4 hours ago. It's got 1.3 thousand views, and let's just see at this channel, is it a big channel? And you can see this is perfect. This channel only has 7,000 subscribers, and he was able to get you can see this video got 388,000. So what you can also do, if you don't want to play the whole entire game as a playthrough on YouTube, you can do tips and tricks about the game. So the various tips, tricks, hidden gems within the game, and so on and so forth. So okay, so this guy's getting some good views, and he's doing some like max level stuff. He's playing on max level, so you can build up the gaming skill and then eventually do all these tips and tricks and get some good views. So let's see how many views this channel has. Okay, 6 million views, and they've been uploading consistently, so that's good. That's another angle, but in this video I just want to stick to the basic, no commentary. Here's another channel. Okay, that's max level. Seems like that's kind of popular. There's the Hollow channel. Okay, and what you want to do, you can see here gameplays, 8 views 1 day ago, was able to get some views. Okay, so people will come to the search bar and type this in, but you don't only rely on the search bar when it comes to these sorts of channels, because YouTube is actually going to push out your content with the use of browse features and suggested videos, so people can watch your video. So when people are watching, for an example, this video right here, you can see the suggested videos right here could be your video that you created, and that's where actually the majority of YouTube views come from, is from suggested and browse. So you can rack up some good views, and the goal with this would be to stay really consistent, play all the games that you can, as much as you can on your channel, and get the full walkthrough done. This can be done in between 1 and 10 parts. So the first part might be 2 hours long, and the second part might be an hour long, and then each part after that an hour long. Just keep them like an hour and a half long in length, and you should be good to go. You can do this on your Xbox, you can do this on your PS5, you can do this on your PC, and every software, every console or every PC will have its own way of recording the video game. If you want to go ahead and you record on Xbox and PS5, you can look at something like a game capture card. Okay, so you can type game capture card Amazon, and you can pick up yourself something like this, a 4K HDMI video capture card, and that will allow you to take the game from your Xbox or PS5 and put it through a capture card, so you can record that into a video, because the built-in recording is only going to be like 10 minutes or so. You want to capture hours of footage. Okay, and then you should be good to go with that. On PC, you can just use something called GeForce Experience, and this will come with your graphics card, or you can use another one like OBS to record your screen. But this works well. All you need to do now when you want to record the game is you push Alt and F9, and your game will start recording, and you'll be good to go. So this is going to take a while to build up some traction, but maybe after 6 months you have 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, depending on how good you were and how lucky you got with the browse features and the suggested videos. Okay, if you want to dive into more details about this, I'll definitely make more videos on this. But you can see when you start getting to the top and you get like 700,000 subscribers, eventually you can get like 243k views 3 days ago. And the way you can find the games that you want to actually cover on your channel is just subscribe to a channel like this. This is MK Ice and Fire. Just subscribe to this channel, and you can see when he uploads the video, and you can go ahead and take note of the game. If you want to play it, you can get the game and then play that, or you can go to Google and type latest games 2025, and you can go to a website like Games Radar Plus, and you'll be able to see here all the games getting released on this website, the best games to play in 2025. Okay, I know October is a big month for actual games, but you can see all the games listed here. Okay, so that is something you can do if you don't want to go the typical search-based YouTube automation route. It's a pretty good method, and a lot of channels are having success with this. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto it. That's really appreciated. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm uploading these videos pretty regularly, and I'll see you in the next video.